We're in Battambang district visiting a Mine-Free World recipient, Nil Noy, and his very successful bicycle business. He even uses wheelchair parts to build bicycles, and thanks to Jay and Linda Harrison,
spray paint.
He now has a compressor. He just finished taking a 10-day spray painting course, and the money he has made from repairing and building bicycles paid for his spray painting course in Battambang. So a very successful business entrepreneur. There we have Sopani and Mr. Dun from the Red Cross, and Pauline Johns from a Mine-Free World Foundation as well.